Well, it is day 2 of fall severe weather preparedness and safety week. So today we're really going to focus on the numbers of things. Of course, typically with the peak of tornado season, you always think of spring, of course, April, May, and that is where we're seeing our biggest spike with 165 to 152 tornadoes from a long portion of time is what we've seen. But look at that second spike. It really comes when we're tracking some of that cooler weather. But the big change, though, between those two spikes are when you take a look at, of course, fatalities. So as we go closer into the winter months, as we looked at yesterday, the sun does set earlier, so there's a greater chance for those tornadoes to unfortunately be nocturnal, and that does make them a bit more deadly. Also, a good refresher, now we are just tracking, of course, how we determine a tornado rating. So it goes from an EF0 all the way to a 5, with 5 being on the stronger side, with winds upwards to 200 miles per hour. So there's a couple of different ways that we kind of determine that. So they take a look at their 3-second wind gusts and then also the type of damage involved. So this is a look at some of those higher end tornadoes and kind of when we could see them locally. Again, we're tracking that peak in spring between May, typically that is peak tornado season. Then we've got that second spike as we go into the end of the year, which is what we're about to enter. So again, got to stay weather aware as we go into these fall months. It doesn't always necessarily mean that we're safe from severe weather, and we're actually tracking the chance for some severe weather as we head into midweek tomorrow morning.